And what I loved about this conversation was that instead of jumping to blame, we slowed it down and we started to look at the full picture, looking at all the things that she is currently navigating and some things she's working with her doctor on. So these all were something once she heard about it and was able to reflect on it and really kind of reframe the whole situation of her health, that she was able to kind of say, oh, maybe there are some other things happening here. It's not that I'm not eating right or that I'm not exercising enough. Those things that we once knew, in theory, they worked when we were in our 20s, when things were a little bit simpler. Our metabolism and our hormones were a little bit more in range and on, in target. But things change. Things definitely change when we're older, and we have type 1 diabetes. So again, this wasn't about criticism. It was about curiosity. So we approach this like investigators, not judges. And this is what so many women need, because weight gain in midlife with diabetes, it's rarely caused by just one thing. And now what we did together is we walk through the areas we're going to explore together today. So let's unpack. And I'm going to share a little bit along the way about our conversation. Again, respecting privacy, because inside of our type 1 and midlife coaching circle, this is a circle where you are invited as well to come in and get this one-on-one support from myself, plus the group coaching circles, plus an endless supply of resources and things to support you along the way as well. And one of the biggest topics that we definitely cover is hormone replacement. So again, if this is something that you're navigating and you need more help and support on, definitely check that out. Information right here to learn more. Okay, so let's walk through the areas that we together as a group talked about. Number one was food patterns. Again, it's not perfection. And she realized that, I think, as a group talking through it and with the support of the other women, it really is just understanding, yes, we can kind of check that box, that is going well. So again, it's not perfect diet and it's not restriction, but questions like, are my meals balanced? Am I getting enough protein? Too much under eating can also lead to cravings later, especially at night. So again, these are things that we just have to be conscientious about, and how this maybe could be impacting our weight and how comfortable we're feeling in our clothes. Are we eating enough to support muscle? So if you are taking time to lift the weights and to build and maintain muscle, we got to make sure we're getting that protein and that we're eating enough. Again, our body can go into that kind of that starvation mode, or that where it's hanging on to calories, if it's feeling like you are restricting the calories. So again, we need to eat enough. This wasn't about punishment or cutting everything out. And this is what she understood too, that yes, as she talked through this with the group, that she realized that she was doing okay, and it wasn't a time to be restricting, cutting back, eating less, that really wasn't going to be the answer, or really the issue, or the reason why she was having these stubborn weight.